The Logitech G Yeti GX is a gaming-focused USB microphone that blends strong audio performance with a modern RGB design, making it a solid option for streamers, gamers, YouTubers, and content creators who want professional quality sound without dealing with complicated XLR setups. Built with Logitech G's gaming ecosystem in mind, the Yeti GX delivers clear voice capture, customizable RGB lighting, and useful software features that help creators improve their audio instantly. One of the standout features of the Yeti GX is its custom dynamic microphone capsule. Unlike many USB condenser microphones that easily pick up keyboard clicks, fan noise, or room echo, the Yeti GX uses a Supercardioid pickup pattern that focuses tightly on your voice while reducing unwanted background sounds. This makes it especially useful for gaming setups where mechanical keyboards and PC fans are always nearby. Voice quality sounds rich, natural, and warm, giving streams, Discord calls, podcasts, and YouTube videos a more professional feel. The plug-and-play USB connectivity is another major advantage. You can simply connect the microphone to your PC or Mac using USB and start recording immediately without needing audio interfaces or external mixers. Logitech's G HUB software unlocks additional customization features, including BlueVio, CE filters and effects. These tools allow users to add compression, EQ adjustments, voice enhancement, noise reduction, and fun effects to create a polished broadcast-style sound. Even beginners can quickly improve their microphone quality using presets. The built-in smart audio lock feature is surprisingly useful for streamers. It automatically manages audio gain levels using an analog limiter to prevent clipping when speaking loudly, while also reducing quieter background noise. This helps maintain consistent voice quality during intense gaming moments or energetic streaming sessions. Design-wise, the Yeti GX looks clean and premium. The dual RGB lighting zones give it a stylish gaming appearance without looking overly flashy. Through LIGHTSYNC integration, users can sync the microphone lighting with Logitech G keyboards, mice, and other compatible gear for a unified RGB setup. The compact body also fits well on most desks and works nicely with boom arms for a cleaner streaming environment. In everyday use, the microphone performs very well for gaming communication, live streaming, voiceovers, and podcasting. The sound remains focused and detailed, and the reduced background pickup is a big improvement compared to many standard USB gaming microphones. While professional audio engineers may still prefer XLR studio setups, the Yeti GX offers a great balance between convenience, sound quality, and gaming-focused features. Overall, the Logitech G Yeti GX is an impressive USB gaming microphone for creators who want strong voice clarity, easy setup, RGB customization, and reliable streaming features in one package. It combines Logitech's gaming ecosystem with solid audio performance, making it an excellent choice for gamers and streamers looking to upgrade their setup without entering the complexity of professional studio equipment.